Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this second day of July 2026. And we just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and this is a trade taken in the room today by myself and other folks in the room. So here we go. The setup is quite similar to other things that we do all the time. We look for our strong candle indicator. Now, interestingly enough, we had a strong candle indicator pointing long against the trend, which paid a small target, like 30 or 40 tick target. And then we got a strong candle heading in the opposite direction with the step in the trend. So we made a small profit on that one going up. But if you make a small profit and you turn around and you get a strong candle indicator going in the opposite direction, this is gold right here. So that's the setup. We're going to look over here. The market was just hot as a $2 pistol today. The candles were averaging over 200 ticks each, which can be tricky when you're dealing with risk reward. But here's a pretty simple one. Well, we have a very nice strong candle indicator with the step in the trend, a little bit of a pullback, and now we're going to go with our ATM that matches the PVI, which we're in for our 20s, 50s, and 100s. And this is how it all went down in the room today. Put our order on. We got the retrace already in the first second of the candle. And here we go. Okay, first thing we got to do is just put our stop where it belongs. Last major failure point's up here. So now since our targets are already set, we can go ahead and speed up the replay. And here we go. First target's out. Notice we de-risked the trade immediately. Our 20s and 50s were taken out right away. Not unusual that it would fail and get a pullback here. But we're going to try and hold on to this and get all the way down to our 100 tick target. Right now, we are 90 ticks ahead. Our stop is at minus 18 for one contract. So we can't lose any money. And if we get all of our targets, and which we did. So that trade took 2 minutes and what? 28 seconds, 2 minutes and 28 seconds to complete and was worth 970 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 970 US dollars in less than 3 minutes, come and join us at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. The only place you're going to find the strong candle indicator, which means you don't need to be a mathematician to be able to trade the markets very well. So we look forward to seeing you in the LTR real soon. Until next time, God bless you, and we'll see you then.